Hi everyone, and welcome to FolckShopping, a cozy corner where yarn, colour and creativity come to life. I'm Orme, and I'm here to help you fall in love with crochet, one stitch at a time. On this channel, you'll find beautiful crochet tutorials, handmade craft ideas, and unique DIY projects made with heart and imagination. Every crochet project begins with a tiny spark of imagination and grows stitch by stitch into something truly special. Through my videos, I'll guide you step by step, share helpful tips, and inspire you to bring your own ideas to life. Because at FolckShopping, crochet isn't just a craft, it's a story told in yarn, made by hand and shared with heart. So grab your yarn, take a deep breath, and let's create something beautiful together. Welcome to FolckShopping, where every stitch tells a story.